This camera is in the same league as an Arri Alexa Mini LF or a Sony Venice 2, not only in terms of image quality but also in terms of weight and size. So this can be a bit of a challenge, especially when you consider how many screens they put on this camera. So I show you two setups with this camera I found really useful as a starting point. Let's start with a basic setup that gives us many possibilities. The original base plate is a bit bulky, but well designed. It has this sweet mechanism where you can slide and release sideways from the dovetail. Plus you get a shoulder pad, 15 and 90mm rod support and ARRIA sets if you like to add handles. Let's use it for the beginning and add the mid-49 top plate to get endless mounting points. Of course the rainbow handle should not be missing. The first thing I need is a wireless focus. Normally we use different motors, but it's all I have on the table right now. Next up is wireless video. For most cases I use a Teradek transmitter. Apart from the low latency, this is the industry standard and everyone knows how to use it. Up till now I've always used this ingenious bracket from wooden camera. But here it doesn't fit the right way when aiming to keep the side screen uncovered. The mid-49 NATO rail adapters were the solution for me. Using them I was able to make good use of the only available space left. Well, all those parts need power and there are too few cables flying around. Let's add a mat box for our filters. And although the integrated 5-inch monitors have incredible 1500 nits and brilliant colors in every angle, I don't want to miss out on my monitor at my favorite position. And here's our basic setup, ready to shoot. With this rig we can easily work off a dolly, slider or tripod. And for short handheld trips we can easily attach handles to the shoulder rest. I love it when the top handle is unobstructed. That way I can grab it in different positions and it's easy to pass the camera over. It was also important to me to leave the screen on the right side free. In the days of wireless video I don't really miss having a screen on the assistant side, but all the reviews so far have been positive about it, so I'm going to try it out. I'm generally used to heavier setups, and in the past I've chosen dynamic range over lightweight cameras a lot. Nevertheless, I wondered if I could build the URSA CINE more lightweight. Let's try a more lightweight approach, with the aim of saving as much weight as possible for handheld shooting scenarios. There are these ARRIA set adapters from mid-49 that we can use directly to mount handles. This way we can lose the original Blackmagic design shoulder rest, which instantly saves us 1.2 kilograms. With small prime lenses the camera is quite balanced in my hand. My wooden grips are comfortable but certainly not the lightest. With other grips attached you can simply save more weight here. I added a lightweight 50mm dovetail base plate. You could also go even lighter when putting the batteries away for the camera, on a belt or a backpack. Same applies to the wireless video. But for me that's enough at this point. So these were my two rigs. I hope it was useful for you if you are rigging this camera. And as always, rigging a camera or optimizing a setup is a process which is ongoing, so I have to tweak it a little bit in the next few days, do some updates and minor changes when shooting and testing. So thanks for watching and see you soon guys.